The 4 core values that support the Code of Ethics. To ensure ethical and professional project management, PMI has identified 4 fundamental values that every project manager must uphold. These values form the foundation of the PMI Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct, guiding project managers in making ethical decisions and fostering trust in their professional roles. Here are the 4 core values that every project manager should live by. Responsibility, taking ownership of decisions and actions, ensuring accountability for project outcomes. Respect, treating everyone with dignity, fostering inclusivity, and valuing diverse perspectives. Fairness, making impartial and unbiased decisions, ensuring transparency in processes. Honesty, upholding truthfulness and integrity in communication, avoiding misleading information. But how do these values translate into daily project management practices? Let's break it down. Understanding aspirational versus mandatory standards. Every section of the PMI Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct includes 2 types of standards: aspirational standards and mandatory standards. Aspirational standards, the ethical benchmark. Aspirational standards set the ethical benchmark that project managers should strive to achieve in their professional conduct. These standards guide behavior but are not legally enforceable. They encourage professionalism, integrity, and ethical leadership. Project managers are expected to follow them at all times. Although they cannot always be measured, they define the ideal ethical conduct. Think of aspirational standards as the moral compass that guides a project manager's professional decisions. While there are no direct penalties for failing to meet them, they represent the highest standards of ethical conduct expected from every certified PMP professional. Mandatory standards, the firm rules and regulations. Unlike aspirational standards, mandatory standards are legally enforceable and must be followed by all project management professionals. Mandatory standards include strict adherence to all legal, regulatory, and professional policies. Prohibition of unethical or illegal behavior in project execution. Requirement to report any ethical violations. Ensuring confidentiality, fairness, and compliance with PMI's guidelines. Practitioners who violate these standards may face disciplinary action from PMI's Ethics Review Committee. If a project manager fails to follow these mandatory standards, they may face serious consequences, including disciplinary action by PMI's Ethics Review Committee or legal implications depending on the severity of the violation. In short, while aspirational standards define how you should act, mandatory standards establish the rules you must follow as a project manager. Why do these